Hi, this is Greg. You can Twitter me and blog me, and I'll return your like. You'll like my product, and click on your shit. You click on mine, and we'll get nowhere that fast. So let's go with the CD in the envelope. You send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, and I'll return that CD to you with a money-making deal. You'll have that Lamborghini and that big mansion with the big pool in the back and all kinds of little toys. So just go ahead and give me. We'll make it 295 even. I'll give you a break on the first 72 hours. After that, the price is going up to 1,200. So get your check over to me as fast as you can. Its address is Greg at computerland.com. Thank you.